Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hadu and Tanu. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a very simple hair pack using flax seeds. Flax seeds are easily available in the market. You can get it online as well. I have taken 1 cup of water. I have kept this for boiling. Once the water starts to boil, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds. Let's cook this on low flame. Flax seeds are really good for your hair. It makes your hair silky and smooth. It's also good for your skin. You can apply this on your face as well. Now the flax seeds have started to boil and you can see that the mixture has become thick. You can make flaxseed gel and store it in refrigerator. I will make a separate video on how to make flaxseed gel. See the consistency? It has become thick now. I'm going to switch off the flame. Let the flaxseed mixture cool down completely. Now the mixture has cooled down completely. You can see the consistency. It's really thick. Now to this mixture, I am going to add 1 egg white. In case you don't want to add egg white, you can replace this with banana. You can use 1 ripe banana. In fact, you can use overripe banana like the one that has got dark colored skin. Now I'm going to transfer the egg white flaxseed mixture to a mixer. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil helps to remove the dandruff and makes your scalp healthy. In case you have itching or dandruff in your scalp, sesame oil is the best solution. Now let's grind this into a fine paste. Our hair pack is ready. I've not added any additional water. You can see the consistency, it's really thick. Now I'll show you how I'm going to apply this on my hair. Usually while applying any kind of hair mask or hair pack, I used to massage my hair using my hair oil. But since I've added sesame oil to this hair pack, I'm not massaging my hair using any kind of hair oil. I'm applying this hair pack directly on my hair, just like this. Take partitions and ensure that you apply the hair pack generously. You can apply the hair pack all over your hair and then make a knot using your hair or a hair bun. After 15 minutes, you can remove the hair pack. Rinse your hair well, apply a mild shampoo. I am applying the hair pack on my hair as well and making a knot with my hair, just like this. So this is my very simple DIY flaxseed hair pack. Do try this at home. Hope you like this video. If so, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Hadu and Tanu. Bye.